Together, Quadra and Microsoft are reimagining enterprise IT for the age of Copilot. Every day, employees need assistance with workplace tasks, from booking meeting rooms and requesting software, to obtaining secure access and provisioning collaboration resources. Traditionally, these requests involve multiple portals, emails, and manual processes. With Quadra IntelliLink ServiceOps, employees simply open the agent and ask, in plain, natural language. Quadra IntelliLink ServiceOps understands the user's intent, resolves requests autonomously whenever possible, introduces human-in-the-loop approvals wherever governance requires them, and orchestrates every action behind the scenes. Let's see how Quadra IntelliLink ServiceOps transforms enterprise IT through a single conversation. Let's start with a simple meeting room booking request. The employee describes the requirement in natural language, including the meeting purpose, attendees, and preferred time. Instead of manually checking calendars and room availability, Quadra IntelliLink ServiceOps uses Work IQ to evaluate schedules in real time. It then works with Microsoft Graph to reserve the meeting room and automatically send meeting invitations to all attendees. What traditionally takes multiple manual steps is completed within seconds through a single conversational request. The employee needs Microsoft Power BI Desktop for reporting and dashboard development. Instead of raising a ticket and waiting for IT processing, the employee simply submits the request through ServiceOps. Because software deployment requires governance, ServiceOps automatically initiates a human-in-the-loop approval workflow while simultaneously preparing everything required for deployment. The IT administrator receives an approval request and reviews the submission. Once approval is granted, ServiceOps validates the user's device and automatically deploys Microsoft Power BI Desktop through Microsoft Intune. The installation is monitored end-to-end, and the employee is notified as soon as the deployment is complete. This eliminates manual effort for both employees and IT administrators while maintaining control and compliance. Next, the employee requires VPN access to work remotely on a project. ServiceOps recognizes that VPN access requires business approval and automatically initiates a human-in-the-loop workflow. The approval request is routed directly to the employee's reporting manager. Once approved, ServiceOps automatically updates Microsoft Entra ID, provisions the required VPN access, and notifies the employee. What would normally involve multiple teams and manual coordination is completed through an automated and governed workflow. License assignment requires a higher level of governance. The employee requests a Microsoft 365 Copilot license through ServiceOps. ServiceOps automatically initiates a two-level approval workflow and sends requests to both the reporting manager and the IT manager. Both approvals are mandatory before the process can continue. Only after both approvals are received does ServiceOps validate license availability and automatically assign the Microsoft 365 Copilot license. The employee is then notified that the request has been completed successfully. This ensures that valuable enterprise licenses are allocated through a controlled and auditable process. The employee now requests the creation of a new distribution list. ServiceOps prepares the request and automatically routes it for IT approval. Once approved, ServiceOps provisions the distribution list through Microsoft Graph, assigns the owner, adds the requested members, and completes the process automatically. The employee receives confirmation without requiring any manual administration. To verify the outcome, let's switch to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Here we can see that the newly created Quadra Development Distribution List has been successfully provisioned. Finally, let's look at employee onboarding. The HR executive initiates a new employee onboarding request. ServiceOps responds with an adaptive card that collects all the required employee information through a guided experience. Once the information is submitted, ServiceOps orchestrates the complete onboarding lifecycle across Microsoft 365. This includes account creation, license assignment, mailbox provisioning, security group membership, Microsoft Teams configuration, OneDrive setup, and welcome email delivery. What traditionally requires coordination across multiple systems and teams is transformed into a single, automated workflow. Employees simply ask through Microsoft 365 Copilot. Quadra IntelliLink ServiceOps understands user intent, resolves requests autonomously whenever possible, introduces human-in-the-loop approvals wherever governance requires them, and orchestrates every action behind the scenes. From workplace productivity and secure access management to software deployment, collaboration provisioning, and employee onboarding, Quadra IntelliLink ServiceOps delivers a secure, intelligent, end-to-end enterprise self-service experience.